Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a package from my friend Aaron Shaw, if I'm saying that right. You guys can't read the title. It is a LARS10 Remake hockey mask. I actually traded my Badman Silicone V1 and AUZ Oz hockey mask for this. Traded him this with cash. Dang, I guess he threw in an extra hockey mask. Wow, very cool. Thanks, brother. Hell yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Threw in some extra little leaves. Those are always nice. Let's open up this first one. This will look pretty good on my bloody ending. Very, very cool. Thanks so much, brother. You didn't have to do that. This looks like a El Cheapo Hawk, but it's painted up really, really good. Very, very nice. Thank you, brother. You almost juked me there for a second. I thought that was the LARS. I was like, what the fuck? Sealed evidence. That's pretty cool. Might have to keep this bag. These LARS masks definitely do not pop up very often. Aaron, thanks for doing such a great deal. Wow. Holy hell. Very, 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 very cool. Very lightweight. Dang. It looks just like owning the real deal movie. Definitely have to show you guys a better look at it. Different video. Aaron, thanks so much, brother. And Spencer, Store Seth, thanks for making the deal. It was like a three-way part deal. Spencer and Aaron are good friends, and they swapped, and Spencer got my Badman, and Aaron got H1 out of this deal. Here's the signature LARS. It's kind of faded a little bit. This is one of his older masks. There it is right there, LARS WFX. But wow, this looks killer. If you guys give me 1 second, I'll throw it on the remake bus, and we'll see what it looks like. Give me 1 second. Oh. Alright guys, back. Got it on the bus. And man, does this thing look killer. Wow. LARS10 hockey mask on a movie mold bust. Can't get no better than that. I mean, you really cannot get any better than that. Dang, dude. Definitely much appreciated, fellas. This will be in its forever home. Wow. Blown away. Aaron, thank you, brother. Spencer, thank you. Both of you guys, thank you very much for doing this deal with me. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you later.